Have you ever wondered why beauty is often measured by standards that seem unachievable? Society has painted a picture of beauty that's often unattainable, leaving many of us questioning our own worth. This warped perception can play tricks on our self-esteem, making us believe we aren't enough. But it's high time we question this narrative. Is it not true that beauty is subjective, varying from person to person? Remember, it's not the mirror that defines your beauty, but how you perceive yourself. Meet Jane, a vibrant woman who had struggled with self-esteem issues due to her appearance. Jane's journey is one of resilience and courage, a journey many of us can relate to. Living in a world that often places too much importance on physical beauty, Jane felt the pressure, the scrutiny, and the judgment. But Jane decided to take a stand, to challenge the norm, to redefine beauty in her own terms. She embarked on a journey of self-discovery, exploring her strengths, her passions, and her dreams. She started to see beauty in her kindness, her intelligence, her creativity. Jane realized that her worth was not defined by her appearance but by her character, her actions, and her spirit. She discovered that she was beautiful, not because of how she looked, but because of who she was. Jane's story is a testament to the fact that beauty is not skin deep, but it's a reflection of our inner strength and confidence. Now, it's your turn to embark on this journey of self-discovery and self-love. Let's turn the tables on societal standards and celebrate the beauty that is uniquely yours. Every freckle, every curve, every wrinkle, every scar. Each is a testament to the life you've lived and the person you've become. So hold your head up high, for you are a masterpiece, an original work of art. You are beautiful just the way you are. Share this video with others who might need to hear this today. Remember, beauty is not in the face, beauty is a light in the heart.